Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, I'm traveling, so the sound quality is not as good, but let's take a couple minutes and go through this. We've been talking about the 9-day for a couple of weeks now, right here. The 9-day moving average. Late last week, they tried to convert that. Bears were unsuccessful in doing so. We gapped up Sunday night, and you can see the 3 successive days of just higher prices. Weekly pivot is down at 31.1175, and it hasn't been challenged all week, and I don't plan for it to be challenged. Let's look quickly at an hourly chart, and you can just see the build. Mid-band support, daily pivot support. There's your gap up, ground through Globex, reaching, coming back, reaching, and we continue to reach. It's one of those rallies that everybody's going to hate. They're going to keep hating it. But the best way to deal with it is to utilize the dips to get long, and then buy, and just ride it as long as it wants to be ridden, and it'll go down when it's good and ready. So into today, the key areas for me, you got to look at the Globex low, which is down at 41.75. As an area where if the Bears don't show up early, and do enough of a push to convert 41.75, then either we continue to bleed to the upside, or we're going to settle into some kind of a 4 or 5 handle range that's going to grind around into the holiday. So we're coming into holiday. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Friday will be a half-day session. We'll close around 1:15 Eastern time. So in reality, you've got today and then half a day into the weekend. That seasonality has always favored the bulls. So the Bears have got quite a mountain to climb if they're going to get this done, and it all starts with 41.75. You see the hourly mid-band there, 43.25. So 41 to 43, call it. If they can convert that, they can push down a little deeper to 39. But the order of the day is if these dips continue to be bought, then you need to continue to do what we're doing in the room, which is being long. So right now we're long from the 34 area. We were long a couple times yesterday. We've taken some profits. We have runners, and we're taking advantage of this move for as long as it's going to last. All right, take care. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Enjoy the holiday. Come join us in the room next week. Trade them well. Talk to you soon.